Hi everyone, so I'm finally getting around to filming a video for you. This is the first video I'm actually filming since I've been at uni, and it's a room tour video. Yeah, so I am extremely lucky and I have one of the bigger rooms available. This is my bed. It's a bit awkward, I've never done a room tour before. It's the first time I'm actually filming a room tour, so yeah, bear with me. I basically just keep some notebooks on the bottom shelf. On this shelf I usually put my camera, I've got my prism and my filters. And then on the top bit I've got my clock, a unicorn, which is Playmobil by the way, and a box of tissues. So behind me I've got my tapestry. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory. I wanted a tapestry but I didn't want like your typical tapestry. So I've got Zoe's new book over here. I've got a mug. I've got this cactus thing from Zoe's range. I've got this pouch where I keep like hair ties and Kirby grips and all that kind of thing in there. I've got a little makeup stand with some makeup on it. This isn't all my makeup. I've got like a makeup drawer. Yeah, I usually have my mirror like standing right here. So yeah, and that's my view. I've got a stationery drawer over there. This is my makeup drawer. And then I've just got like loads of other bits and pieces in the other drawers. That's my desk area. This is like my pin board. Then over here I have my printer. And then I've got these two boxes. In this box I basically keep like my hair straighteners, hair dryer, curlers. In here I've got like snacks. I've got tea, which I got free by the way. Yeah, I've got some tea that I got for free during Freshers Week. So time to show you my shelves. And then this shelf, I've got like a little mirror on it. This is from Thorpe Park. I've got my Zoella notebook. I got these folders. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Then on the next set of shelves I've got books. Okay, so I've got my planning / notebooks / journals. I've got unicorns picture frame that my sister got me. I've got some books, like I've got dictionaries, I've got just books. Up on the top shelf I have my Q&A a day book, my co-op mug that I got for free during Freshers Week. I've got my Ruby Core books up there, Connor Franta, and read this if you want to take great photographs. So on these two shelves I've got loads of paper, mugs. This is a mug as well, I wish it was a camera lens though. A folder, more paper, my vlogging camera which is usually on a tripod up there, and my lens cap for this camera. And that's basically my study area. This is my wardrobe. Got trousers over there, tops, a few jackets, trousers, tops. These are actually like university merch. Pyjamas, my hat, towels, tea towels. And then this is the bathroom. Shower. I've got my umbrella hanging over there. My toilet. Towels, mirror, sink, cleaning products, bin, another umbrella, my laundry bag, and then on this shelf I have my toothpaste, 2 toothbrushes. This is the one I'm currently using. This one is like the one I'm going to use next. I know that's a bit random. So in this little box I've got moisturiser, like body butter, concealer, spoolie brush, moisturiser, deodorant, makeup remover, and I can't forget my dressing gown hanging on the door. So I guess that's it. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed like having a look around my space. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video, hopefully very, very soon.